the sweetest mangoes in the world, province of Zambales!
My name is Lyra Gina Punsalan, 22, your Binibini 3, from the culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga.
Hi everyone, I am Paulina Labayo, 26 years old, candidate number 4 for Naga City.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Gian Elgares, your Binibini number 5, proudly the first ever Binibining Pilipinas representative of Palayan City, Nueva Ecija.
Hello, Araneta City! I am Angelica Lopez, your Binibini 6, 22 years old, and I am from one of the best islands in the world, province of Palawan!
Hello everyone, mabuhay! My name is Kalia Estores, your Binibini number 7, from your gateway to the world and portal to the Philippines, Parañaque City!
Oh, kumusta po kayong lahat? My name is Mirhan Hipolito, your Binibini number 8, from Angeles City!
Gawin yung work at Diyos ko. Malapit na kita maging gusto. Parang gusto ko lang maging hero mo. Ready to learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze. What magic does she have? What miracle is this?
Good afternoon, Araneta. My name is Pedro Nabiano Leong from the city of Tacloban.
Between us, that's not
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rasha Cortez Alenzi, representing Urdaneta City, province of Pangasinan. is Zina Ramos, your Binibini number 12, representing Santolan, Pasig City.
Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samantha Dana Gutierrez Bugos, your Binibini lucky number 13 from Oriental Mindoro.
In the back, shows you the time to greet us. Can you feel that spark between us?
Hello, Araneta. My name is Jean Isabel Villasano, your Binibini 14, your Binibini Bell from Albay.
Good afternoon, Araneta City! My name is Jessie Salvador, your Binibini number 15 from the province of Aklan. Good afternoon, Araneta! My name is Atasha Rain Pobleta Corani, your Binibini number 16 from the historical and progressive city of the South, General Trias, Cavite! Maayag-ayag na hapon, Araneta! This is Tracy Lois Mangaran Bidua from the City of Love, Iloilo! Hello, Araneta! This is your Binibini 18, Andrea Marie Soriano Salami, all the way from the home of Pawikan Festival, Moro, Patay! Maayong hapon, Araneta! I am Julia Mendoza, your Binibini 19 from the seafood capital of the Philippines, Rojas City, province of Capiz. Hello, Araneta! I am Julian Rose Bernardina Reyes from the history capital of the Philippines, province of Cavite.
This pretty lady and that exciting winsome smile. This pretty
Masipala, your Binibini 27 from the province of Tarlac.
Hello, Araneta City! My name is Katrina May Palurin Sese, your Binibini 28 from the melting pot city of Central Luzon, Tarlac City.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Trisha Martinez, your Binibini 29 from the province of Laguna.
Can you feel the spark between us? That's why I can pull the arenas, the beauty of the Venus.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Charisse May Saizon Almares, General Luna, Lalawigan ng Quezon.
Where did you get those lovely eyes? This
Maayong hapon sa atong tanan. This is your Binibini 31, April Angel Obaro from the city of Cagayan de Oro.
Who wouldn't love the way her skin is kissed by golden?
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am your Binibini 32 from Main Magdasok from Ortigas, Pasig City.
Good afternoon po, Araneta. I am Katrina Ann Castellana Johnson, your Binibini 33 from the province of Davao del Sur.
Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have?
Mabuhay Araneta City! Ako si Mary Joy Bacaron, Binibini 34 from the Kernel of Christianity, Senyor Santo Niño, probinsya sa Cebu. Put your hands together, Araneta City! This is your Binibini 35, Sofia Lopez Galve from the province of Rizal. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, Araneta City! I am Mary Childs Manuel Balena, your Binibini 36 from the gorgeous municipality of Hermosa, Bataan!
What magic does she have? What miracle is there?
Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. This is your Binibini 37, Pia Isabel Delugin, representing the province of Misamis Occidental. Good afternoon, Araneta! This is your Binibini
Pilipinas 2022 Queens, starting off with Bini Bini Pilipinas runner-up, Stacy Gabriel.
Where did you get those lovely